Hey guys, it is Mike Montgomery, and today I want to show you a cool trick. It's called black hops. It is a really hard trick. I still mess up on it quite a bit, but it looks really cool. You start off with a triple or nothing, and you progressively hop down one string all the way to a trapeze. Then you hop back up. I messed up there. You hop all the way back up to a triple or nothing, where you can dismount it and catch. Now the reason this is so hard is you have to get the spacing right between the strings. When it's actually laid on your fingers, you want to have almost, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of an inch or so between each string, so you have some space to hop the yo-yo down when you're in the triple or nothing, hopping it down from one level to the next, all the way down to double or nothing, all the way down to the trapeze. And then when you're hopping it back up, you want to make sure you leave some space in the front, that way you can land with the double or nothing, and then the double or nothing and a half, and then the triple or nothing. So to start out, you throw a triple or nothing. From here, you basically just let go of the string that's hanging off of your freehand index finger at the very end. But when you're doing that, you kind of hop it off that finger. The reason you're hopping it off is so it's higher than the string that's still hanging on to your throw hand index finger at the very end. That way you can land it on that string, like that. From there, you kind of just drop this off, you drop the loop off of your throw hand index finger, but when you're dropping it, you kind of pop it off so you can land down to a double or nothing. You continue that process, you hop it off down to the trapeze and his brother, you hop it off down to a trapeze. From the trapeze, you can start hopping back up. So you pop the yo-yo off of the string, and you bring your throw hand index finger across underneath the yo-yo, and you're kind of karate chopping it underneath it to kind of catch that string right underneath the yo-yo so you can land the trapeze and his brother. From there, you're going to want to start pointing your fingers up when you do this. If you keep your fingers pointed straight out, you have a tendency to make a knot or drop all the strings, and it gets really frustrating when you start dropping them. So when you're going, just go ahead and skip going all the way to the triple or nothing, skip hopping down, start with the trapeze, pop the yo-yo up, and cut your finger across to catch it into the trapeze and his brother. From the trapeze and his brother, pop the yo-yo up off the string, and you bring your freehand index finger over, and you do the same thing as you did before, where you cut the yo-yo underneath, cut the string underneath the yo-yo, landing you in a kind of double or nothing. The only difference is the string is twisted up on your throw hand index finger. From there, pop it off the string, and this is where you're going to start pointing your finger up on your throw hand index finger. When you cut it underneath, you want to make sure you got some sort of an angle where it's up away from you, so if anything falls, the strings fall towards you. From there, you pop it off that string, and you cut that last one. That last one is the hardest because you have so many strings bunched up on your finger that you have the biggest tendency to mess up. But if you land it, you'll have a kind of triple or nothing. From there, you drop all the strings off of your throw hand index finger, leaving you with this loop wrapped around your finger a few times. You dismount once, dismount twice, leaving you in a trapeze, and from there you can catch it. So, triple or nothing, you hop down. Oops, let's start over. Triple or nothing, hop down, hop down, hop down, hop down, hop up, hop up, hop up, hop up. Dismount, and then unloop this, leave you with the trapeze, and you catch it. And so that was Black Hops. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you take some time to figure it out, show it to your friends, make a video of it, post it on YouTube.